Yes, yo, it is a good luck. Good to be back in the business. See, turn our Bluetooth. Conserve some energy. I'm too young youth. That is a teacher, young youth. Your phone is like trouble. Where you say you're going with? Nah, touch. Hmm.
Like a farm it again. Turn on back.
Hmm.
Indeed.
That tag one. Try no.
I'm just saying, oh, we hope it start you again. Nah, good.
Try no, youth.
I said, we can check it and see if you know what to do. But, I don't know.
You see what I'm going on at the time, but right now, I think you see what I'm going on now. Welcome back everyone. So today we're gonna kick things off today with some we'll do leg workout first, then we're gonna do some shoulder later on. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go up on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Alright, so today we're gonna do leg workout. Don't forget to hit that like button, alright? You already know, man. That's the least you can do to support. Just hit that like button. Alright, so we're gonna do some squats at the moment, alright? So get ready. Okay. Everything already. You never see me do leg workout? Okay, I guess you're gonna see it now then. Yes, bad man, I say I do it now. And that's the phone you come boy. You know something there now.
No company. Still good stills. Yeah, okay.
Alright, Chad, appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, alright, while you join. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. This is a real deal. Alright, so we're gonna do, I think they call it carbs raise. We're gonna do a few of that. I'll use this. You can balance this now, brother. Next foot, come on. Up. 5 more. What you worrying about, boy? I need to get something on this, I swear. Up, up. Okay. Damn, really? Sheesh. Okay, chat. Now it's time for some squat. All right, chat. Give me a second here, chat. What did that? Trouble. Never turn ya. Definitely in a trouble. Oh yeah. First set. Let's add one more as we go. don't care. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Oh yeah. straw thing, yeah. We need to get rid of that straw thing, yeah. Straight. Bro, this straw, we need to get rid of this straw thing, man. But the thing is, we just got no drinking water at the moment, so that's why we've been using this thing. But this straw is giving me a lot of gas. You just have to boil tea very often. So this gas feeling right now is messing up. We're working out, man. Hey yo, is that Sing, what's good? How's it going, man? Yeah, using this thing is giving me a bad feeling. And we actually drink some tea before I start working out. No, bro, this. Now I'm gonna still do the work, man. Appreciate it, but we're gonna still do the work, you know. Smash that like button, subscribe, chat. Oh, yep. Whoa. All right, try. So, yeah. Whenever we use that straw, it's giving us a gas feeling, you know. And I recently, a few minutes ago before we started working out, I drank some tea, but damn. It's not gonna stop us from pushing, you know. All right, guys. Let's make sure we need 10 more. Smash that like button. Smash that thumbs up. Chat, come on. Put this right here over here. put something under the bar to make it not loose in the cement blocks. Oh, it's good, man. Yeah, it's actually good, bro. Trust me. Cause watch when I'm like sitting up to do the squat. Just gonna go right up, right to here, and just stay right here. So it's actually good. Yo. Next thing when I'm using that straw, I always over drink. Dead chat today, yeah. I don't know when I'm doing arm workout, or shoulder, chest. You always got people that saying I should do leg workout, but whenever you start doing leg workout, people don't really watch it. You know, people don't watch leg workout. It's the truth. Yeah. Get this money. Whoa. Stay hydrated. For real. All right. Yo. All right, chat. You say you're lifting 200. All right, so at the moment, the bar on this weighs at least I think 30 pound, 30 odd pound, the bar itself. Each blocks weigh about 33 pound. So you can do the math. Check them up. So at the moment we're gonna add some more weight. So let's keep going. So we're adding one more on each side. So now we're gonna have 4 on each side. This is what happened. £300. Yeah, I guess. If you had them, because I don't really had them. I just lift, squat, and just had more and more. Because I was on a calisthenics break, you know. I was only doing like body weight work, exercise. But we start lifting again, so it's a good look. We just adding weights, man. I'm not even checking. But yeah, we got a weird feeling today, guys. Trying to prevent me from working out, but I'm still pushing. Weird feeling, like gas feeling, you know. Weird feeling today. Here we go again with this thing. This right here is the cause of the problem, but yeah. We got no other way. We have to work with it. Yo. Oh yeah. Up. Ah. No. Musk, I see you. Thank you. All right, appreciate it. Whew. Ah. Whoa. Whoop. 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 Ah. Whoop. Whoa. Ah. 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 Yeah. Ah. Okay. Make sure we all subscribe. Make sure we all subscribe and hit that like button. Whoa. Whoop. Whoop. Up. Up. Oh, yeah. Up. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Whoa. Up. 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 Oh, yeah. Make sure we all subscribe. Hit that like button. Subscribe, hit that like button. This is definitely some motivation. Definitely gonna take it. I'm gonna work with it. And keep going. We're gonna take it and keep going. Everyone watching, click that link, check out my video. in the description, alright? Pretty interesting. The chat is kind of dead. It's weird. Weird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Up. Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bad man, yo. I'm playing my brain now. Cross one of this. Seeing. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna kick things off with some pull-ups, guys. So how much pull-ups should I kick things off with? Let's drop a number. Let me get you guys engaged. See what y'all. So give me a number. Alright, chat, give me a number. How much pull up we should kick things off with? Can we drop a comment? Let me know where we are watching from. Leave a comment. Hit that like button. Whoa! Still burning. Whoa! Okay. Make sure we smash that like button. Subscribe. Everyone watching, alright? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yes, I am. I just one of them there. Plugging back the phone at the same time. 50 odd minutes. Oh, yeah, that's all we're not going. That's all we're not going. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 38, 40, go on, 41, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! Alright. Make sure we drop a comment. Let me know where you guys watching from. And hit that thumbs up button also, alright? Subscribe, man. Ah, God. Okay. Okay. Ah, whoa. Yes, I level. Let's switch on. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You understand? Oh yeah. Uh, no, Lizzie, I can't go there so yet. See? I can't go there so yet, my boss. You can't go there so yet. See? Alright, chat, make sure we subscribe. Hit that like button. Subscribe, alright? Oh, yeah. Up. 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 Hoop. Yep. Let's get it. Let's get this money. Up. Up. Hoop. Yeah, chat. Hit that like button. Let's keep going. Hope. Yeah. All right, so I'm from Jamaica. Appreciate everyone being here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Also check out that video in the description. If you want to become a member, there's a link in the description. Become a member today if you want to support. Link in the description, all right? Ah! Ah! Whoa! Make sure we subscribe. Hit that like button, chat. Make sure we already subscribe, all right? Yeah, it's a good feeling. Make sure we subscribe, man. Link in the description if you want to become a paid member of the channel. Yeah. Yo, Rocket Man, what's good? Subscribe. Hit that like button. All right? All right, so yo Musk, if you're here, all right, after this stream, we're gonna warm up a meal, so you guys we can chill back and chat for a while. All right, on the stream. Let's keep the fire burning. We're gonna try to keep this stream as long as we can today. Hey Caroline, what's up? What's up? What's up? What going? Let's get this money. All right. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yes, Caroline, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we start off crazy little leg workout there. Oh, okay. It should be all right here. Oh yeah. Yo, Chris, what's good? Let's get this bread. Whoa! Let's get that bread. I see two more. Born to lose but built to win. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Always set the mind on the goal. Around here, we don't know lose. Nice lift, thank you. Appreciate that. Eyes on the prize. Stay focused at all times. Eyes on the prize. That's like my life story. Knowing that if I stay focused, I can achieve. Definitely can achieve. Because there's no room for failure. Yeah. Whoa. Always remember that. As you guys can see, as I said, we've been on a body weight training break for like 2 weeks. Mostly body weight. And we're back now, like 2 days, lifting again. It's a good feeling. Alright guys, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. I appreciate everyone that's here, engaging. Love you guys, man. All you guys have been supporting the channel. I love you all, man, from the heart, alright? Appreciate you all, man. Thank you for the continuous support. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new viewers. Thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you for being here. And for who don't already subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, alright? About 250. Pounds. USA inspired by me. It's good to hear that, man. If I can inspire at least one person, man, that's a job well done. So that's the goal. That's the goal. So that would be a good feeling, you know. North Korea. Cool video. Thank you. Appreciate you guys, man. One love motivating people from all around the world. Queens, New York, USA. Yeah. One more bread. Let's get that bread. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna remove this iron. Do 2 quick reps. Come on. You gotta be kidding me right now. Whoa. Damn. See that stuff? Damn. That's some crazy stuff, chat. No joke. No joke. Weird. One more. Ah. Whoa! All right, chat. So, yo. All right. All right, guys. So, I'm gonna put some food to warm up right after we finish. Do a few stretch here. Warm up some food and then we're gonna chill and have a chat. All right, guys. First, let's stretch. So Georgia, USA, Jessica, what's up? I apologize, guys. I'm just checking the chat, so I apologize. All right. What are you doing today? I'm not doing too bad. I'm actually doing good. Ah. that it been watching by. Yeah, I wish my channel was around that long for 30 years. Imagine, and I'm not even. I'm just 28 years old too. So that's crazy. This year we're gonna be 29 this year, so we get the idea though. Yeah, for real. I appreciate you guys being here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some food to warm up on the microwave, and then we're gonna just chill back and have a chat. All right, guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Hit that like button. Give me a second here. Remember, you can ask anything, right? But just keep it obviously respectful. Yes, I level 44. So it's a go on. It's a good look. And we don't put it right there, you know. We have put it right there, so seeing. Alright, that's what we are talk about, you know. All right, guys. So the food is so the food is on the microwave warming up right now, right? All right. So got any question, guys? With there? Give me a second here. Get you the phone.
It's jump scare. So we need to shoot it.
All right, just it's mud. All right, that's it. Yeah. All right, yes. See, should be all right. Food me there warm up, boy. Okay. See. How much fire burn? Don't on the road there. Why? Them nah itchy burn them fire, man. You know, so me not really. Me don't know. As much as how millions of people in Jamaica burn fire, and just me, maybe me out there one of millions or billions care about the atmosphere if you burn fire. What fire do to the atmosphere when you burn fire? I burn rubbish. It release a gas. A gas when you is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, where it trap heat in the atmosphere. It's a thing that contribute to global warming. You see me? So always remember that. Release carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide when you burn rubbish. just like on the exhaust, like fossil fuel exhaust, really smoke or come out a car, we have burn gas and had an engine or other fossil fuel thing. It release a carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide that trap heat in the atmosphere, you see? So it contributes to global warming. So it's like every year, if you do some other time, I guess me not even know what to tell us about. Every year, by the time you find out the place get hotter and hotter, because the number of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are more in the atmosphere. We're not about 30 teaching them something at school, but that's a reality, you see me? Like cause global warming, you understand? Mm-hmm. Yes, daddy. So you come down, man. What on it? Oh. Come here, one down, I don't hear that. Finish it now. Right, yes. Why is this shirt then? My back a bite me so bad, man. Can I just do a crazy workout, look why I make them crazy things happen to me? Tell me. That go on? I'm tell you bad man, I kiss a teeth so wicked man. I'm tell you young youth, I kiss a teeth so they're on your head. What you worry about? Forward you have to talk what go on in them. I go on, or a one I go on. I tell you worry about bad man. Stop worry about vanity in the youth, man. You know, so you're young, you know. Would have miss a certain thing or not feel good. I mean, who would have feel good? Nobody now feel good about what going on, but don't worry yourself about vanity. You know? We have people have, you can go find a meal for you eat every day. When they say about people like them there. And when I go easy for those still, I miss your phone obviously. But no beat up yourself for it, you see it? Meal time, we got meal time, yeah. So we just finished working out and so for those who don't know, this is white rice. We got some corn here, some sweet pepper, some carrot, and we got a fried fish right here. And over here we got some mayonnaise, how you wanna call it, with some cabbage and some more sweet pepper, tomato salad and carrot. I don't know. Seems like if we draw this closer to that. That never go there. It's supposed to be alright. Come on, my audience, them see what I go and clean, you know. See. You said, you think? Put it back your bag. So put it back one at a time, man. Yeah, whenever I put it back, I put sand at the bottom of it and we just remove the clothes them instead, I sand. That time it was much heavier. Because I want to set it that's heavier like when me lick it now, I mean it's really heavy, I can't get to lick it real way. And make it move, you see me? Yeah.
Where are they, son?
Ash, look here. Me have sun right there, so. Sun whole of this around the bush, a base and that. Plus me have sun over there so come up the bush. Plus you have a fresh sun up down bright there over there. Yeah, so sun no problem, par. You see me? Mm, 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 mm.
Like,
Edit.
when the edit people are them, when they just sit down, deal with that little shop.
Oh, cool man. For real man. I know it's nothing. I could night thing, but say go yeah.
Like, they just sit down, they just feel like they just never get inside.
Yeah. See how you saw you. See how you saw.
It's one night, you don't send people.
See how you saw you. Yeah. That looks delicious. It is. Trust me, it is. Yes, I am. So good luck. What the hell is this in my back? Bite in the eye. Hmm? I bite me in my back. So. Alright, Chad. So we got to fry. We're not eating any chicken today. We're eating fish today. Mayonnaise, cabbage, sweet potato, sweet pepper, and carrot. Mm. Rice, beef, and some nice soup on top. But yeah, get some water. No water at the moment. I'm just gonna eat the food and we're gonna drink after. Yeah, maybe drink a little water after. I don't know. You know, I had a friend and co-worker named Auntie Arila Bun them sitting there now, man. How me gonna eat now if a dead dog about all a bun, man? Crazy, eh? There are some people who actually stay out doing, man, and try to take out, try to feel the cool breeze that blowing, man, and try to meditate, That's why I don't really like them thing they in a hash. I don't light fire, That's me still. I not tell them to follow me. That's how me go to work. That's how me do my badness. You see me? Hope you had a good workout. Yeah, man, I had a good workout, man. Yeah. I did some drills this morning, so I just did a few stuff earlier. It was really cool. Energetic dude from Jamaica. Okay, nice, man. I also told us some crazy stories. Sound like the Wild West out there. It's everywhere, right? If you're talking about violence is everywhere. So let's be honest, right? There's violence everywhere, right? Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely gonna keep pushing. I got people to motivate. So I'm gonna keep pushing. Not gonna stop.
who's the kid? It's my cousin. So true and getting worse. Yeah, for real, it's gonna get worse because I don't know, man. That's crazy. Some of us are making the system get into our heads, the system and vanity. You know. Yeah, we can't get we can't let this vanity and the system get get into our head, man. Stand firm and satisfied with what we have. And the hate is real. So much hate. And here you go. Male is nowadays acting like female and stuff like that. In terms of how we address certain situation. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm referring to. How we deal with situations. Hmm? How old are you? I'm 28. He said, this guy said, enjoy your meal, Hulk. Please flex bicep. Do you drink beer, smoke weed? I drink beer once in a while. Smoke weed once in a while. Yeah. I'm not a smoker. Brass laugh.
I don't know that that's real.
The boss a laugh. What's about weed? Where's naturally smoke weed? Haters going to hate. We the commenters of this live stream got nothing but love for you and your cousin. Yo Chris. Appreciate the love, man. Respect. Appreciate the love, Appreciate the positivity. Appreciate the consciousness. Yes, I am. I love fish, but this bone system, I'm not messing with it. I tell you. Don't say that you smoke weed because you can lose your fans. um, Smoking. As I said, I'm not a smoker. But by facts, if I link up with friends, maybe I would take a smoker too. Obviously, I said I'm not a smoker, right? And no one is perfect. I'm not a smoker and I'm not a drinker. I'm not a addict. It's all about self-control. Yeah. Exactly. More like the opposite. Exactly. Exactly. Gonna finish all that food? Yeah. Alright, watch me. I'm just a fitness addict. I'm crazy addicted to fitness. So crazy. I don't know, bro. I just can't go one day without working out, without if I'm not lifting, I need to at least do a few push-ups or pull-ups. You know. So that's what I'm addicted to. In Lithuania, he said nothing wrong with that little puff. A good guy, the good ganja now and then, huh? Marijuana. I don't know, man. Okay, that's what you said. So, in Lithuania, just for keeping the weed, marijuana, people go to jail for a long years. How is the weather there? It's been windy. Cannabis just recently got legalized for medical and research and adult use for people over 21. Um, I got nothing against smoking, man, but I'm not a smoker and I'm not a drinker. But as I said, nothing wrong. Once in a while, at least for me, because I got self-control. I'm not a addict with, I'm only a addict with working out. Once in a while, a cigar or a weed. Maybe once a year, I don't know. But smoking is not a good thing. So I don't promote smoking in no way. Smoking is not good in no way. Those years I've made your mind so disciplined. It's great that you have that fierce motivation. Thank you, appreciate it, for real. Yeah, bro, so that's the thing with me, like, smokers, you know, I don't care if they're watching right now. I got family members that actually smoke a lot. Yeah, and they're lazy. They're lazy. They're not athletic. They're not physically active. So I don't promote smoking or drinking. So if you're a smoker or a drinker, stop. Get to work. Start doing some exercise. Start eating clean and drinking clean. Remember that. Here in South Africa, the time is it 12:47 in South Africa? What is the time here? The time here is 5:48 p.m. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, I just gonna eat the rice. I don't want the bones from the fish. Just spill over in the rice. So I'm gonna get rid of the rice first. One meal a day. We taught you how to cook. You know, growing up, you know, most time, majority of the time I have to first I learned a few stuff from my great grandmother and my father, until you know, till I went on my own. I have to learn to cook a meal to survive, and then we just keep put everything that we learn together and try everything, and then you know you master it. Because I have to cook like daily. I have to cook like daily. So over time, I just get it to perfection. I did not know that one meal a day was a thing. Looks like he's eating something hearty. Fish right here, guys. I don't want the bone to spill over in the rice. I'm gonna get rid of the rice first. Wow. Wait, what is this? What? What take you off? Shut it down, you know. Shut it down, see him there. Yo. Fish is here, have no fear. Fish and rice will be making you hungry. Hey, yo, Chris, you have to cook some food, man. Come on, man. I'm just capturing the moment and sharing it with you guys. Hello. Give me a second here, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. Fish bones are nothing to mess around with. Yeah. For real. For real. It's nutritious. Fish is nutritious and delicious, but you have to be careful of them bones. This thing got a lot of bone, like bone everywhere. There's bone everywhere in this thing. Okay. Alright guys, we need 10 more likes to get 400. 10 more likes, just 10 more. So if you haven't already, so smash that like button. Here, there's 10 more. Some big bones here, guys. 10 more likes to get 400. Smash that like button. Yes, I am. Some bone in this one. Some very big bone. Try to get rid of most of them. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe, the like button. Appreciate you guys for the support always. Thank you so much, alright? It's a pleasure sharing the journey with you guys every day. Love you guys. Stay focused, keep working. Love you all, alright? Peace out.